Today I'm going to be attempting to paint two fabric chairs which I bought from a second-hand shop. I've seen a few tutorials on YouTube, they look really professional and the results look amazing, so wish me luck. I'm really worried this is going to be an epic waste of time, isn't it? They were actually quite good chairs, I should never have done this. I bought these two wingback chairs from a charity shop and they're pretty basic, they're very comfortable. Through the lens they look kind of forgivable, but so what I'm going to do anyway is get one of Annie Sloan's chalk paints. I've chosen Empress Silk, which is a lovely soft red, diluted 50% paint to 50% water, and hopefully they'll look like two quite new red leather or red suede chairs. That's the look I'm going for, because apparently chalk paint on fabric does look like sort of leather or suede. There's a method. You paint your fabric, you allow it to dry for 12 to 24 hours depending on the type of fabric, and then you sand it lightly to get the crusty paint off, and you spray it. And when it's nice and moist, you paint it again with your 50% paint, 50% water compound, and then you go through the process again. The whole thing took about 90 minutes to paint them both. Hopefully by the fourth layer, this pattern will have completely disappeared. So that's now 2 coats of chalk paint, and I'm hoping I won't need more than 4 coats, otherwise it won't be that cost effective. But the thing is, this particular fabric is very, very thirsty. It's very, very porous, so we'll just have to see how it goes. There's lots of little kind of gaps in it if you look closely. But like I said, it is only the second coat, so yeah, I'm really hoping that we can get a really nice looking chair here. I don't know what's going wrong. I'm sanding off the excess very crusty chalk paint, and it's just scratching the hell out of it and bringing it's just looking weird. The chalk hasn't gone in properly to the material. It's very, very crusty, and look what happens when I sand it. That's like the old fabric coming back. I'm really worried this is going to be an epic waste of time, isn't it? It looks like this chair has been pulled out of a house fire, and this is the burnt charcoal remains of it. It is quite challenging, but these things should be fun. I feel like I'm being a little bit negative in my video. I guess it's because I've seen people achieve such nice results and I just want to do the same. I think one of the issues is that I chose 2 chairs with quite a thick fabric, quite a heavy pile, and the other people on YouTube seem to have been painting plastic or wood or velvet, kind of smooth surfaces, so I've jumped in at the deep end here. I just hope that it all comes together, and I really hope that the wax is the thing that kind of seals the deal and completes the project and makes it just like worthwhile. So I've just finished the 4th coat and I have watered it down more than last time. That pattern has kind of disappeared, but it looks like elephant skin. That's not the look I was going for. Okay, I've just got a letter from a woman who runs a professional blog about chalk painting, so that was really sweet of her to write to me. Painting upholstery projects can be tricky, especially when the fabric has pile. It might be that the the paint doesn't actually dye your chairs, but rather kind of just sits on top of the fabric instead. That would explain the elephant skin and what I've been talking about this whole time. And she says, oh, this would explain why you're seeing the original colour underneath when you try to sand it back. So perhaps what you would need to do is just apply a thick coat, or don't bother sanding it, and then wax it and see how it goes. I'm just going to be gutted if this doesn't work out. She advised to leave a thick coat of paint on and then try waxing over it. I did try that, but it didn't work, so I've had to sand it down, and it looks very scratchy, but here's the really good news. The wax is literally making everything look smooth and clear. So where the fabric looks scratchy from the sanding, the wax literally smooths everything out and makes it look completely okay. It looks very shiny because it's wet, and as far as I've heard, the wax takes about 30 days to set, so that no fibres or paint or wax will go onto anybody's clothes. I have a feeling this could work out after all. Actually, I think it looks quite nice after all that drama. I think it kind of works. It works with the slate on the chimney. Well, I don't know what you guys think, but now it's in here, it sort of looks okay. You can still see the pattern and the texture, but it just looks like a really nice, unusual black chair.